Welcome to Simple Teaching.
Hello all, today let us learn a rhyme, okay? The rhyme is popcorn rhyme. What rhyme is this? Popcorn rhyme. Do you all like popcorn? Yes, we all like popcorn. Okay, let us learn the popcorn rhyme. Are you ready?
Ready?
Good. Pop, pop, popcorn.
Pop, pop, popcorn.
Popping in the pot.
Popping in the pot.
Pop, pop, popcorn.
Pop, pop, popcorn.
Eat it while it's hot.
Eat it while it's hot.
Pop, pop, popcorn.
Pop, pop, popcorn.
Butter on the top.
Butter on the top.
When I eat popcorn,
When I eat popcorn,
I can't stop.
I can't stop.
Let us say again, okay? Pop, pop, popcorn.
Pop, pop, popcorn.
Popping in the pot.
Popping in the pot.
Pop, pop, popcorn.
Pop, pop, popcorn.
Eat it while it's hot.
Eat it while it's hot.
Pop, pop, popcorn.
Pop, pop, popcorn.
Butter on the top.
Butter on the top.
When I eat popcorn,
When I eat popcorn,
I can't stop.
I can't stop.
Very good. This is pot, P-O-T, pot. And this is hot, H-O-T, hot. These are the rhyming words. Pot, hot. P-O-T, pot, H-O-T, hot. And here, top, top, stop. T-O-P, top. S-T-O-P, stop. Top, stop. And these two are the rhyming words. Pot, hot, top, stop. Okay, this is for today. See you in the next video.